Hi fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of our videos. We're getting ready to create another beautiful centerpiece. Now, this is going to be just in time for Valentine's Day or your very own wedding. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, the supplies you will need are 2 glass vases, 2 LED candles, 3 candle holders, 2 LED lights, diamond wrap, and you're going to need 1 foam ball. This is 1 foam ball, but I cut it in half, and you're going to also need at least 4 bunches of flowers. And I already have these done because in my previous tutorial I did this little vase. So all I did was just took the top and I'm just reusing it on another video. And you're also going to need some heart picks. And don't forget your glue gun and your scissors. Okay, we're first going to measure our bling wrap right around the bottom of our vase. Cut it out. Do a second one. Glue it to the bottom of your first vase. Put some glue around your candle, the top of your candle holder. Place your vase on top. Make sure it's centered. Let's do the same. Put some glue on top of your candle holder. Your second candle holder, flip it over. Put some glue. Need to reload. Take your flower. Oh, gotta take your LED light. And just put it on half of your, the top of your vase so that it can open and close. Like this. And then, I'm gonna take our pick hearts. And we're just gonna cut them. And we're just gonna stick one right on the top. Share with you 5 great purchases I made from the Dollar Tree. You ready? Number 1, a spoon of ribbon. Isn't that pretty? Got little hearts on it. Table scatter. Well, they're coming out the bottom. They're pretty hearts made out of plastic. I bought 3 of these. These are wire wreaths made out of hearts. Isn't that pretty? Some flowers. Now these are some pretty flowers. They're pink. They have the little bling bling hearts on them. Very pretty. They also have these heart sticks. Isn't that pretty? So there's 5 great things you can go out to the Dollar Tree and purchase just in time for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to push that subscribe button and like button and turn that notification bell on. Thank you.